Hey guys, Rapid Start 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. And today I'm going to show you this ProLight Flood 13 watt PL adapter. Now, I found this PL adapter at the ReStore in Inverness, Florida. This was the first ever PL adapter that I ever got for my lighting collection. So this was a pretty cool find. I actually just went to that ReStore yesterday. Not sure if you saw that short that I made yesterday, but I went there and picked up some pretty cool stuff, and hopefully I'll be making some videos of that stuff soon, but today I decided to make a video of this. Well, anyway, let's not waste any more time and take a look at this adapter a little bit more closely. So, from the outside, we can see our black plastic enclosure for our magnetic ballast. This is a Preheat adapter, which is pretty cool. Then we have a glass piece that comes off like that. You just you twist it, it'll snap out of place, and then you can pull it off. And in there is our socket for a PL bulb. So there we go. And this glass piece just makes it into like a flood that you would shine down. It's a little bit dirty, but whatever. And you know, there's where the PL bulb will be. So, that's what the outside looks like. And then here's what the bottom looks like. We have some stickers and a nice brass base. And yes, I did wrap some electrical tape on it there. And the reason why is because you'll notice it's starting to crack. I have no idea why that is, but I didn't want it to, break off. So I just wrapped some electrical tape around it. Works just fine. And then we have our stickers here. Let's go ahead and read them. ProLight, 13 watt, EC300, I guess that's the model number. 120 volts, 60 hertz, Reflector. I think that means that there's other, covers that can go on this. It'd be pretty cool to find those as well. A33957, no idea what any of that means. 71L1, no idea what that means. UL listed lamp holder fitting. Yeah, lamp holder fitting. That's kind of a crazy name. Why not just call it PL adapter? No, that stuff is really small to read. But anyway, that is essentially what the outside of this looks like. So, we need a PL bulb. Well, today's a lucky day, because there's been one sitting over here the whole entire time. Yes, it's been over there the whole time. So, let's go ahead and take this out. It's a Sylvania Deluxe D 13 watt. There's what it looks like. 841, so cool white. And there's that. So, we will unsnap this piece here, and all we need to do is plug in our PL bulb. It slides in really nicely. And then, all we have to do is just twist this back on, like so. So, let's grab our socket, and we will screw this adapter in. This is a very heavy adapter, so there it is. There's what our PO bulb looks like inside. So, I'll be right back after I turn off the lights and plug in the socket. Alright, I am back, and it is time to turn on this PO adapter in 3, 2, 1. Some very nice preheat action. So, there's what it looks like illuminating. We'll go up above in a second, but as you can tell, they didn't apply that coating very well. Whatever, it's just a reflector for the light. And you can also see some of the light getting out of the bottom there. And, there's what it looks like screwed into the socket. You can see the yellow-green flicker bands, because it's a magnetic ballast and a triphosphor bulb. So, there's that. So, we'll go ahead and, oops, no, I don't want the tripod to go down, I want it to go up. Here we go. Alright, so now we are up in our usual testing area. Here's what that looks like again, and it is illuminating pretty well. And of course, it's already at full brightness. These PL bulbs never have issues warming up. CRI-wise, that's pretty good. Of course, being an 800 series bulb, you would expect it to be pretty good. And color temperature is nice. What's on camera is actually a very good representation of what it looks like in person. I'm surprised. Usually the camera makes things look way too white and not like their real color, but yeah, it's pretty bright. That's kind of what the light coming out sort of looks like. It's pretty directional. Like, it doesn't light in that many directions. It's like a very focused beam. But it's kind of what you expect from these flood bulbs. So, I guess it's just doing its job. So, let's go ahead and watch it start up one more time. I like how you can see the argon starter glowing in the bottom there. Let's do that one more time. Very neat effect on camera and very nice preheat action. And also, you can hear the ballast just humming away. Not sure if you can hear that. I sure can. But anyway, let's put that back down there and bring our camera back down. And we'll go ahead and turn off this bulb. Okay, let's watch it start up one more time. Alright, now we'll turn it off for real, and I'll be right back after I turn on the lights. Wow, I can't talk today. Alright, I am back. As you can tell, the lights have been turned back on. So let's go ahead and unscrew this adapter. I've already unplugged the socket. Oops. This bulb is very heavy. Well, I guess it's an adapter. Oh, and now it wants to roll away. Stop rolling away. Okay, is it going to stay? It's going to stay. So, there was a look at my ProLight flood PL adapter. It's gonna stay. It's gonna stay. Alright, well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time.